Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you all are enjoying good health. Today we are starting the new chapter of your biology 10th textbook, that is coordination and control. We will discuss some of the important short questions and MCQs in this chapter too, as we already did before. Give an example of coordination. And there is an answer of this question. One familiar example of coordination is the way in which muscles work together during movement. This page contains an important definition, that is of coordination. Define coordination. Coordination is developed when life activities are controlled and coordinated. That is, body works as one unit in which its different organs and systems cooperate and work in harmony with each other. Well, this is the definition of coordination, which is an important definition regarding board examination. Give an example of coordination. When we are writing something, our hands and fingers work in collaboration with other muscles, eyes, thoughts, etc. And then very intricate movements result. Next topic is types of coordination. How many types of coordination are there? There are two types of coordination in organisms. Number 1, nervous coordination. Number 2, chemical coordination. Next question is define nervous coordination. Nervous coordination is brought about by nervous system. What is chemical coordination? Chemical coordination is brought about by endocrine system. Moving towards some of the MCQs on this page. There are two types of coordination. Nervous coordination is brought about by nervous system. Chemical coordination is brought about by endocrine system. Animals have both nervous and chemical coordination systems in their bodies, while plants have only chemical coordination. The last MCQ on this page includes a coordinated action has 5 components. The first question on this page is write 5 components of coordinated action, or write the major components of coordinated action. There are 5 major components of coordinated action. Number 1, stimulus. Number 2, receptor. Number 3, coordinator. Number 4, effector, and number 5 is the response. These are the major 5 components of coordinated action. We will explain these 5 major components one by one. Number 1 is stimuli, which is the plural form of stimulus. Define stimulus or stimuli. Give examples. A stimulus may be defined as any change in the environment, external or internal, which can provoke a response in organisms. Examples of stimuli are heat, cold, pressure, sound waves, presence of chemicals, microbial infections, etc. MCQs on this page include heat, cold, pressure, sound waves are examples of stimuli. Coordination also takes place in unicellular organisms. The response to stimuli is brought about through chemicals. Next is the second component of coordinated action, that is receptors. Third component is coordinators. The first question is define receptors, give examples. The organs, tissues or cells which are specifically built to detect particular type of stimuli are called receptors. Examples of receptors are there. Next question is define coordinators. These are the organs that receive information from receptors and send messages to particular organs for proper actions. MCQ on this page. Stimuli are detected by special organs, tissues or cells of body. Sound waves are detected by ears, which is a receptor. Light is detected by eyes, also receptor. The organs that receive information from receptors and send messages to particular organs for proper action are coordinators. The last MCQ on this page is in nervous coordination, brain and spinal cord are coordinators. Well students, these were some of the important short questions and MCQs. We will discuss the next topic in next video inshallah. Okay, thank you students.